Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ki padba jokathan khaput Karibhoi district ki badai ni kithan pilang kata benta kasgi klami ban penlong ya ke jingilang padba ban penpau ke jingbam hun halor ke jinglet jurep joke atli ki komiti prathong na sarkar Assam ban Meghalaya ban penbet ya upod usam hakini khendat teo beladab ki jat benriu ki pelami hakani kasgi ki kentop nadu ki khasi Garo Nepali Assamese Karbi Rabha bat kiwi de kibelawal minis nok tilang ha kene ke Israeli kebela penlong Hamadan jaka senong mai khuli na kebenta bandawa ya ka sarkar jilla bakadi ban penben ya kloy ya upur usam khnang makipet ba hakiti ki than khaput ken stroke emsan kumban sipet ken mau khendat nakala ki regional committee pelalam khamat du ba prestun tensong simbol menteri rangba naka jilla Meghalaya bat upi josh Hazarika menteri jaka sarkar Assam haka khnatrik Urisa arjal alpuwei kelahir benjurip Syaki Pratali Kishnang haka khanapara bat pilang kata cluster nakapenta benpempe upur usam Hendrai ke ka papenlong kipat ba bakim hun satya kata ke jingjurip kelong bakipat ba ketika than kila kena bau menteri ka Assam Pijesh Hazarika kumukle jo ketika regional committee na Assam ulakam trai ki babon ki jaka ki bedang dei pura hapo pur usam ke jilla Meghalaya
Digital policy. Digital policy. Asetang Singapura. Asetang Singapura.
Nakliang karus din ke Riboi di unit mengi pak banlong ke kini government kia menamar jingkia kani kalau abon sin kemudian tang sisin nilalong license tam menta bangilong penlong rally shani pak adu menta ki government menta kem respon ero dan nakliang ki seng juga garus din union di demand pani government taken employ pani sim action namar benta kan jingkia pak boleh Hani meeting juga mata singi poilang kini nong sisnong umni tangki jai jaro ni kasih ni kidon ki baper ki jai umat badon ki Nepali Karbi adin ki Assamese wan solang ya rap yang punya solang hani ki
student union and on behalf of all the local residents who is residing in the border area, so I like to urge Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sir Khonra Sangma, to once again please come and visit the site where the border areas, the actually border areas. So I like to request the government of Meghalaya plus Khonra Sangma once again. This is not the first time we had a rally. This is the third time the rally is been going on. So urge Khonra Sangma to please come and inspect the place where the border issue is. Because we local residents are facing very difficulty each and every time. Every Assam counterpart they used to come and they used to threaten all the market area. They're threatening the ladies. They're threatening the local residents of the areas, the border residents. So I would like to I would like to give and request. I would like to request Khonra Sangma to come please and check the border area as soon as possible. We'll be thinking like again we'll organize a very big rally because now we had lots of residents out there. They are like all the tribes are there, like Nepali, Garo, Khasi, plus Mikir, Boro, Rapha, even Assamese also is there. So we are planning if they are not, if they can satisfy these areas, depending area, then we'll organize a very big rally again and we'll protest again and again so that let the government of Meghalaya come and see the border area and inspect the border area.
Anga ya Riboi ni Garo Mohila ni President Ringku Muni Maraka Kaninga Cinga talo ya border ni geman cingi meeting ungahon ya no plak jati donga Garo Khasi Nepali Boro Karbi Marwet gemak cinga nangreme ya no cinga kumong nangremehon plakan kepen jat rangba meji Meghalaya donggepa Karbi yung bo borong bo nang Nepali yung bo nang Bihari yung bo nang Assamese yung bo plakan bisong Assam siri jawane taalo bisong plaknan agan parakaha bisong wani gemen uni bidungon cinga de tao on jawane cinga ba agan nainga un baksana ba cingni plak jatian tau de cing baksa kumong nang rume cing ade aganai jok tau border dong bade cing ada asam ciri phajawa oni kemen cingni Meghalaya government aro cingni Meghalaya government ni phadot rang